David, can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure, Mark, what's wrong?
I just saw the presentation, the one you gave to the boss.
Oh, that presentation.
Yes,
It went very well.
David, that was my presentation, my work.
What are you talking about? That was my work.
No, David, I spent 3 weeks on that project.
Mark, you are mistaken. I did that project.
I have all the files on my computer with my name.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You stole my work. You presented it as your own.
That's a serious accusation, Mark.
I'm not accusing, I'm telling the truth.
Do you have any proof?
Yes, I have all the drafts, all the emails.
This is ridiculous. I worked hard on that.
You worked hard, I worked harder.
You are just jealous because the boss liked it.
The boss liked it because it was my work.
Mark, calm down. You're making a scene.
I don't care about making a scene.
People are looking at us.
Let them look. I want everyone to know.
You are being dramatic. This is unprofessional.
Unprofessional? You stole my work.
I didn't steal anything. You are lying.
I am not lying. You are the liar.
I'm going to the boss. You are harassing me.
Go ahead. I'll tell him everything.
This is not over, Mark.
No, it's not. It's just beginning. Sarah, can I talk to you? It's very important.
Yes, Mark. Come in. What's wrong?
It's about David, about the presentation.
What about it? It was very impressive.
That presentation was mine. I created it.
What? David said it was his work.
He lied. I have all the proof.
Mark, this is very serious.
I know. I spent 3 weeks on that project.
Why didn't you present it yourself?
I was sick last week, remember?
Yes, you took sick leave.
David took my files from my computer.
That is a serious accusation.
I have proof. Drafts, emails, everything.
Show me your proof.
Here, all my work from the last 3 weeks.
Let me see this carefully.
You will see the dates. My name is everywhere.
Mark, this is very serious.
I know. He stole my career.
I need to investigate this.
Please do. I want justice.
I will talk to David and HR.
Thank you, Sarah. I appreciate it.
Mark, I am sorry this happened.
I just want the truth to come out.
It will, trust me.
I trust you, Sarah. Thank you.
Now, go back to your desk, stay calm.
I will try, but I am so angry.
I understand. I will handle this.
Mark, I need to talk to you.
I have nothing to say to you.
I heard you went to Sarah.
Yes, I did. I told her the truth.
You should have come to me first.
I tried. You lied to my face.
I didn't lie. That was my work.
Stop lying, David. Everyone will know soon.
You are ruining my reputation.
You ruined your own reputation.
I worked hard on that presentation.
You worked hard. You copied my files.
You are so jealous. You always were.
Jealous of you? Never.
You have always been jealous of my success.
Your success? You have no success.
That's why you are doing this.
I'm doing this because you stole from me.
You can't prove anything.
I already showed Sarah everything.
You think she'll believe you?
She will believe the truth.
This is not over, Mark.
Yes, it is. You are finished.
You will regret this.
I regret trusting you. That's my only regret.
You are making a big mistake.
No, David, you made the mistake.
Thank you all for coming. This is serious.
I have reviewed both sides of this case.
I have nothing to hide. I am innocent.
You are not innocent. You are a liar.
Let's stay calm. No personal attacks.
Mark, please show me your evidence again.
Here are all my files, all the drafts.
These are very detailed, very thorough.
Those could be anyone's files.
They have my name, my date stamps.
I see that. The dates are from 3 weeks ago.
I started the project later, that's all.
You started after you saw my work.
David, can you show us your files?
I deleted them by accident.
Accident? That's so convenient.
David, this doesn't look good.
You were all against me.
We are just looking for the truth.
Mark is lying. He is jealous.
I have proof. Where is your proof?
I don't need proof. My word is enough.
Actually, David, we need evidence.
This is unfair. This is harassment.
David, no one is harassing you.
He is trying to blame me.
Let's take a break. Everyone calm down.
I am calm. I am always calm.
You are not calm. You are scared.
I am not scared of you.
Enough. Everyone outside, now.
Look what you did. You ruined everything.
I didn't ruin anything. You did.
I worked hard for this company.
I worked hard too. Harder than you.
You always think you are better than everyone.
I don't think that. I just do my work.
You think you are so perfect.
I am not perfect. I'm just honest.
Honest, you are a snake.
I am a snake. You stole my work.
I needed that promotion. I needed it.
So you stole from me?
You would have done the same.
No, I would never do that.
Everyone is selfish. Everyone.
I am not selfish. I'm just hurt.
You think you're the only one hurt?
You hurt me. You betrayed me.
I didn't mean to hurt you.
Then why did you do it?
I don't know. I made a mistake.
A mistake? You call that a mistake?
I was desperate. I was scared.
We are all scared, David.
I'm sorry, Mark. I really am.
Sorry is not enough.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to tell the truth.
I can't. I'll lose my job.
You should have thought about that.
Please, Mark, don't do this.
You made your choice. Now live with it.
We have made our decision.
This was a very difficult situation.
What is the decision?
After reviewing all the evidence, David is at fault.
What? That's not fair.
The evidence clearly shows Mark's work.
I told you, I made a mistake.
A mistake is one thing, stealing is another.
David, this is very serious.
What's going to happen to me?
You are suspended without pay for 2 weeks.
2 weeks? That's too much.
You should be fired. You stole from me.
This is our decision. It is final.
This is so unfair. So unfair.
Unfair. You stole my work.
David, you should be grateful.
Grateful? For what?
You still have a job. Many would have fired you.
I can't believe this is happening.
You can appeal the decision if you want.
I will. I will fight this.
You can't fight the truth, David.
I will prove you wrong. Just wait.
David, please accept the decision.
No, I will not accept this.
That is your choice, but the decision stands.
This is not over. You will all regret this.
It's over, David. Just accept it.
You haven't seen the last of me.
Mark, I'm so sorry this happened.
Thank you, Sarah. I appreciate it.
You did the right thing by coming to me.
I was so scared to tell anyone.
I know it takes courage.
I trusted David. He was my friend.
That makes it even harder.
I feel so betrayed, so hurt.
I understand. That is a terrible feeling.
How could he do this to me?
Some people are selfish. They only care about themselves.
I thought I knew him. I really did.
People can surprise you, not always in a good way.
I don't know if I can trust anyone anymore.
Don't let him change you, Mark.
It's hard not to feel that way.
You are a good person. Stay that way.
Thank you, Sarah. That means a lot.
Now, I want you to take the rest of the day off.
I can't. I have so much work.
Mark, you need rest. You are exhausted.
I am exhausted, emotionally drained.
Go home. Relax. You deserve it.
Okay, I will go home.
And Mark, I'm proud of you.
Proud? Why?
You stood up for yourself. That's important.
Thank you, Sarah. You are a good manager.
I try my best. Now go home.
I will. Thank you again.
See you tomorrow, Mark.
See you tomorrow.
Laura, I need to talk to you.
You sound so upset. What happened?
It's David. He stole my work.
What? Are you serious?
Yes, he presented my project as his own.
That is terrible. What did you do?
I went to HR. They investigated.
What happened? What did they say?
They suspended him for 2 weeks.
2 weeks? That's not enough.
I know, but it's something.
How do you feel? Are you okay?
I feel angry, hurt, betrayed.
I am so sorry, Mark. I know how hard you worked.
I worked so hard on that project.
You deserve better than this.
I thought David was my friend.
Friends don't do that to each other.
I know. I was so stupid.
You are not stupid. You trusted someone.
I will never trust anyone again.
Mark, don't say that.
It's true. Everyone is selfish.
Not everyone. I'm here for you.
I know. You are the only one I trust.
I will always be here for you.
I love you, Laura.
I love you too. Now come home.
I'm leaving now. Sarah told me to go home.
Good. You need rest.
I'll be home soon.
I will be waiting with dinner.
Thank you, Laura. You're the best.
I know. Now drive safe.
I will. I love you.
I love you. See you soon.
Mark, wait. I need to talk to you.
David, I don't want to talk to you.
Please, Mark, just give me 1 minute.
You had your chance. You lied.
I know, I made a terrible mistake.
A mistake? You destroyed my trust.
I'm so sorry, Mark. I really am.
Sorry is not enough.
I know, I was so selfish.
Why'd you do it? Tell me the truth.
I was desperate for the promotion.
So you stole from me?
I thought I would get caught.
You did get caught.
I know, and I deserve it.
You deserve worse. You should be fired.
I know. I am so ashamed.
You should be ashamed.
Can you ever forgive me?
Forgive you? I don't know.
I will do anything to make it right.
You can't make this right.
I will tell everyone the truth.
Everyone already knows the truth.
I will resign. I will leave the company.
That's not going to fix anything.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to learn from this.
I will. I promise I will.
I can't trust you ever again.
I understand. I don't deserve your trust.
Goodbye, David.
Goodbye, Mark. I am so sorry.
So am I. So am I.
Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Mark. How are you feeling?
Better. Still hurt, but better.
That's good. It will take time.
I know. I need to move forward.
That's the right attitude.
David resigns last night.
I heard. He sent me an email.
He said goodbye to me. He apologized.
That took courage. I respect that.
I don't forgive him, but I respect that.
You don't have to forgive him.
I just want to focus on my work now.
That's a good idea.
I have a new project. I want to start it.
That's great. I will support you.
Thank you, Sarah. You have been amazing.
I just did my job.
No, you did more. You believed me.
Because you told the truth.
I'm so grateful. Thank you.
Now go start your new project.
I will. I am so excited.
That's the Mark I know.
I am back, stronger than before.
I am proud of you, Mark.
Thank you. I won't let you down.
I know you won't.
Have a great day, Sarah.
You too, Mark. You too.